Hey all you well-protected folks out there, this is Jalan from Sophos Support, and today we're going to be looking at how to allow a website through your Sophos Central web control policy. Alright, so a quick overview of what we're going to be talking about today. So first in Central, we'll create a website tag in website management that's going to be found in global settings. Then we're going to go into our web control policy, and under controlled sites tagged in website management, we're going to add our tag and set it to allowed. All the steps that we're going to be following today can also be found in the Sophos Central Admin Help Guide. The link for that's available in the bio. Let's jump in.
All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is create a website tag. So we'll go to global settings and website management, just scroll down a little. And on the right, we're going to hit add. So now we're going to put in any URL or domain that we'd like to allow. So I'm just going to put netflix.com because the business only policy blocks entertainment and streaming sites. So I'll put netflix.com, and then in the add tag section here, I'm going to give the tag a name. So in this case, I'm just going to call it allowed sites. Since multiple sites can be covered by a single tag, if you're going to add more sites in the future, it's easier to just use a generic name instead of creating numerous tags over time. So let's hit save here. Now, just adding the tag isn't going to make any difference for the endpoints. What we need to do is we need to add this tag into our web control policy and set it to allow. So let's go to endpoint protection here, and we're going to go to policies. And now let's scroll down to find the web control policy. So in my case, that's going to be business only today. And I'm going to go to settings. And in the controlled sites tagged in website management section here, first of all, you want to just make sure that that's actually enabled. And on the right, we're going to hit add new. And now our tag is going to be automatically populated because we just created it. It's the only tag. But if you have multiple tags here, just select it from the drop-down menu and set your action to allow. Perfect. We'll hit save. And we're almost done. The last thing we just want to do is make sure this policy is enforced. So we'll go over here. It says policy enforced already, but you just want to make sure that this is not checked to policy bypass. So make sure that's enforced and we're all good to go. Let's hit save. And now we've allowed a site through our web control policy.
So thanks for watching, everyone. If you had any further questions, feel free to check out the Sophos Central Admin Help Guide, the Web Control FAQ, or view and post questions at community.sophos.com. All links available in the bio. That's it for me today. Stay safe out there.